All right, bro, I'm
Morning.
back.
Good morning. Welcome to another live stream. Let's start. Market is gapping down a little bit. Um we do have some news today. We already had ADP and unemployment claims, both better than expected, and we have final PMI, final services PMI at 9:45. Tomorrow is a big day. Unemployment change and all the NFP and stuff, unemployment rate. All right, so that's it. That's all we have for today in terms of economic news. 9:45 is a yellow folder, not very impactful to the market, but we'll consider it. Okay, 9:45. I have James in the other line. Welcome, buddy.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. Thank you.
Dollar is neutral bullish, and rates are going up. Bro, 10 years 4% again. We've been rejecting that level. So I want to see how the internals react. Yo, welcome. I have yesterday's COT at 47.52. I want to see the internals. Tick chart in positive territory. Advanced decline as well.
Yeah, I have 16,470 as a 5 minute resistance level slash support. Looks like we're trying to come back down and retest it right now. Might be able to get a bounce off of this. Try to target 500, but I'm not taking anything yet. I'm trying to get above 500. Like we get above 500, bulls are doing something. But right now, I feel like we're kind of in a no man's zone outside of this 450 potential support zone, but not putting my faith in it just yet.
Yeah. Um Short-term bias is short, but here is important. This is very important. So this is the 30-minute, but look at the big picture. We've been we have been going up, right? So we are in an uptrend, and we are now balancing. So my thought is, and these lines are irrelevant. This is overnight today, but my thought is that we might be creating this range, right? And we are in the bottom of the range. If we end up breaking to the downside from, I don't know, like I would say like 20, 47.20 on the ES, probably we will have an intermediate bias change. Okay, so I want to consider long from this area um, as a possibility. And the entire COT for the entire area is from 64 to is massive 280, 15 points.
Advanced decline is relatively flat considering the gap down. Or
Mm-hmm.
oh, this might be a strong buy area.
Well, it's starting to come down a little bit. Big chart is negative.
Like I said, I got room up to about 500, maybe 515 on the Nas. Not trying to take anything until we're over 500 though. And there we go. We're getting a wick rejection off of 500 right there.
Yeah, there are aggressive sellers there, but they don't have follow through. At least on the ES. And look, we did have a minus. So yesterday was a minus almost 1%. We have had like a couple days, sort of like with big volatility and movement. Probably today is a balancing day.
I hope yesterday was the balancing day because yesterday was kind of cheeks. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, but I know, but it ended up dropping big time. The Nasdaq was minus 1%, and the previous day on Tuesday we have minus 1.8% almost on the Nas. Bro, if you compare like last week to this week, is not chop. It's not chopping. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
but
been
last
a
week we
lot.
had like everybody was on break because of Christmas. No.
Yeah, New Year's and stuff.
Like I said, the second we had more pre-market volume than we had in the whole week of last week combined. So like, I'm expecting this week to be time to roll, time to play.
Delta is positive today, not by much actually.
Get a close through 70, 470. I might be short here. Not sure yet. Got to see how these candles form.
Hmm. I don't know if I'm thinking short yet. Advanced decline is positive, although positive is basically neutral. Big chart is positive.
Dollar's been trying to move higher, but it seems to be like
Mm.
some serious resistance up here at like 102 half,
Mm-hmm.
102.5.
I had a I had a supply from 102,600 to 102,79. So that's my supply on the dollar. It's been holding for days. Hmm.
Yeah, it looks like a little liquidity slam right there. Came straight through 70. Just trying to bounce back on through that. Not gonna touch anything.
Yeah, right now I'm just staying put. I wanted to come to my level here at between 52, 57. See if I have a setup there. The Dow is the one pushing higher. The rest of them are just flat. Bro, amazing how this 48 is working on the ES. I do have a level
48.
there. Yeah, I do have a like a micro level there. It's not something that I really like. And actually, it's at 49. No, it starts here at 48.25. It was tapped here like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, I got
Nah,
51 for my chart on the ES.
yeah, but now look at the advanced line and look at the tick. Probably another bounce.
Got 49 right. Oh, it's the halfback, bro. That's the 50% fib right there. That 48 level.
Oh.
And then but you got 49 at for yesterday's close.
Mm-hmm.
We get this PMI volume spike here. 30 seconds on that.
Yeah. I like the long, but I don't have anything here. I don't have any area that I really like. 43.
It looks like 70's trying to hold on the Nas. If you have anything, pretty much where price is at right now. Uh,
Man, I have 46, but I think it's not reliable. It's been tested too many times. Then I have 4350. 4350. Honestly, I don't like anything. And when I this doubtful, that the answer is no. Just don't take anything. When I'm not sure, I just don't take anything.
For sure.
Hmm. It looks like there are more sellers coming in. Once the client is opposite, like it's positive. Not much, but bro, Dick Char has spent zero time at zero line. Like it goes up and down from zero. Like is it like it is unexistent? You know what I'm saying? Like usually I rely on a zero line just to assess the direction. Let's say if it goes through the upside and then start bouncing off of the zero line from the upside, I say, all right, this is stronger, right? But right now, zero line is unexistent. Like it goes above 400, it goes below 300. Yeah, there you go. 43 failed. Yeah, I didn't like it too much actually. And below 43, I do have below 43. Yeah, 41 probably. Yeah, 41. It's not bad. Have 41 to 40, 25. 41 to 40, 25.
Looking for a retest of 70 right now for an entry short. We do have quite a few buyers down here on this 450 level. Looking to see if we get like if we could break this, if we could get like through pre-market low, get a new leg going, and things will change. But right now we're kind of consolidating here in this 45 and 95 area on the NAS. Well, came straight through 70. I think that might be the answer. It's like we're going to 500 here.
Hmm. Advanced decline is trash. We're starting to have a little bit of divergence in the advanced decline, although it's trending up. Let's see, how can I structure this trade?
Be right back. Gonna grab a water real quick.
Dale. 4 minutes to 10 a.m. Morning, morning, Eddie. Welcome. Hmm. Hmm. Bro, even if I'm thinking long, this is so annoying. Like, look at the long is frustrating. Because let's say you got in here 43, got to 49, and then now it's back at 44. So the long is quite difficult as well. So internals are showing more positive bias than negative bias. But I don't have any like fresh demand. This demand is entirely used up at 43 to 37. Yo, for some reason I don't hear you. I know you're talking.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. I saw your icon in the live stream and I was like, I don't hear him. What are
Yeah,
you
my
saying?
bad. Oh no, I was just saying, try to practice patience here.
Yeah,
As far as I'm seeing, we need a close below 450 on the NAS, like a break and hold below, or a break and hold above 500. Unless you're a range trader. If you're a range trader, you're probably in love with this because we're just back and forth 90-50, 90-50.
yeah. Not really because there's no follow through to either. Like I rather just not a trend market, but like a normal variation day where it goes up, goes down, and then goes up. That's my type of day. That's where I'm good at. Um, Sideways is hard. Trending for me is hard as well. Freaking ads.
Like there, we came straight down to 50 again, and now we're probably going back up to 90. This is, I don't know, short 90, long 50, vice versa. Not my type of trading, but a lot of people love it.
Near 30. Wow. a lot of buying.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get this retest over at 500. See what we get out of that.
Yo, Nasdaq is a laggard. Like, look at the ES. We came up to the COT. Now we're turning back down. But ultimately, I have this setup. I'm not taking this high volume no like it is right now naked. I'm gonna take it. I'm probably planning to take 57. I want to see a better internals though. Advanced decline does not look good for the short.
57 for a short.
Yeah.
Look at the dollar, man. Jeez. And the
Yeah, it's
VIX.
coming down. Like I said at the beginning, this might be just a beginning of a balancing area, a huge balancing area on the ES, and we are in the bottom of it.
I just can't see why we would like balance here on any time frame. I don't see like
Bro,
I
because
can't see structure that we like would hold us here.
New Year and we just came up 24% on the on the ES, and I don't know, 30-50%
Uh, I stand corrected. Actually, on the weekly chart, um, yeah, this could definitely hold. We have a nice little block up here from 2021, uh, like 16.4 area. Definitely. I mean, if this holds though, that's like we're talking we're talking 18,000, 18.5. I don't know. That's kind of that's a lot. If we hold this level, that's a lot.
Yeah, in 2021 we ranged here for how long? Uh, November 1st. We ended up breaking January, so we balanced for like 2 months in the NAS. Hmm. It might be a no trading day for me. I like 43, but it was not like I was in love with 43. I was like, yeah, it might be a good level, but nothing that I would really take. And I don't know if I'm gonna take 5750, the one that I have for the short. Might be for a short, like a quick tradable reaction, probably. Yeah, but there, look at the advanced line. It's just going up, bro.
Yeah, VIX dollar down, ADD up. Looks like we might get a little move out of this.
Mm-hmm.
Oops.
The one that I could take automatic order is 4770. That can be an automatic order, but not 57. And regardless of the internals, um, Very quiet, the chat today. No questions, no suggestions.
Trying to focus on this break out of the chop.
Yep. Yeah, like 56 is good. 56 is good for the short. Put 7 more minutes in this 15. I don't see it retracing actually. You have your 500.
Indeed, we do.
And the gap close is at 538 for you. Nah, not on the ES. ES closed the gap a lot sooner. I'm starting to like this.
Order submitted.
There we go. I have my order there. Five more minutes. I want to see the advanced decline not going above. I have a little bit of divergence there. It did go above. Hmm. 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 Ah, this is not real. Are you serious?
What?
Do you see my entry?
Yeah.
Nah, fuck me, bro. Oh shit, that area was very good. Let's see if advanced decline just keep going down and this thing just go up. Probably my target is not good. My target it'll be 48.50. Too much to ask, right?
It depends on what it's trying to do when it opens up. Because, like, right now, we're just getting out of this consolidation zone. Um, Yeah, I mean, you said 48.
48.50.
Not necessarily. I think that's pretty solid. That's not asking for too much. It's like that's maybe like a point outside of it, like 49. Because of the, I mean, that's consolidation zone. It's probably gonna come back and retest it.
A minute.
Woo!
Yeah, sellers are getting in here, but no. I really thought that this bounce was not good. Like, I don't need that bounce again. I just need a straight down. Oh shit, no. This thing is not gonna work. It's a lot of buying here at 56. Come on. Now it's vital. Tick chart is at 0. I don't need another bounce. I need a rejection to the downside. Hmm. Yeah, tick chart is bouncing off of 0, bro. That's not bueno. Yeah, a lot of buyers. Hmm. If we try to hold these, man. Okay, this is important. 55.50. 55.50 is important. Tick chart finally below 0. Mount. All right, so next up is trap sellers is 54.25. 54.25.
Hello. Oh my gosh, why is it so hot in here?
Papi, because I have a warmer.
Oh my gosh, why are you so cold?
I am cold because I had a cold plunge earlier.
I slept at 2 in the morning.
You slept what? Oh my
I was
god.
the first one to wake up
I know.
because I don't sleep.
Happy, I'm kind of busy. Do you mind if I
Daddy,
work
don't
and I
eat
call you
that.
back?
I saw your hat in a. Yeah. No, I saw it and then. Daddy was gonna eat this. Outside.
Bye. Thank you. Kind of like an on not opportunistic visit from my daughter. All right, so tick chart is bouncing, guys. This might not work. Yeah, it's bouncing off of 54.25. That was the trap sellers there, and they are bouncing this thing up. So yeah, that might be it for me. If we don't drop from here, sayonara. It's gonna go up. All right, 54, 54 again, 54. All right, I think it's time for me to, if this 54 holds, I'm gonna move my stop to break even because I don't think this trade is going to work. Tick chart is positive. It might be time for me to move the stop and just wait for it. If it works, fine. If it doesn't, fine as well. Yeah, but this 55 is holding. This 54.50 has a lot of trapped sellers. So I'm moving my stop. I'm moving my stop to break even. This might not work and it's fine. If it works, good. If it doesn't, good as well. Yeah, tick chart is not good. Tick chart is very positive. Yeah, I might have to scale. If we get to 51 one quarter, I might scale out. Because I think here there's some support. Oh shit! Now, forget about it. This thing is gonna go up. It doesn't look like it's gonna go down. I am a break even. Hmm. Finally, tick is below zero. Hmm.
Well, that changed quick.
Yeah. I mean, it's starting to look a little bit better, but I know 51 is going to be difficult, so I might scale out at 51 if we get to 51, right? This This is a zone fade. 53.50 is holding pretty nicely. So here's the thing. For the short, we need momentum, and we don't have it. We don't have it. Yeah, 53 is been tough here. Yeah, tick chart is now bouncing. That's not bueno. 50, we got to 52. I thought 51 was going to be hard, but it looks like 52 is working pretty nicely. What are your thoughts, James?
I, I mean, the NAS is looking a lot different than the ES. I just took a long off the 500 retest. It's
Mm.
looking
No,
decent right now.
the ES is looking very bullish as well. 4 more minutes in this 15. Let's see how this one comes. I mean, I took this trade exclusively off of location. I was not, I mean, I did pay attention to internals, but internals were not with me. Internals were not aligned with the trade. And sometimes it's fine. Like, location is an edge of itself. Yeah, this 52 is really annoying. Yeah, this might be it. The chart is back above zero. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, the 5 minute looks ugly for the short, honestly. It doesn't look pretty.
I think we have news at 10:30, don't we?
It's nat gas or something.
Oh yeah, yeah, natural gas.
Yeah, it's nothing. Yeah, bro. I don't know. Sellers are there, but they don't have the strength, honestly. A lot of people selling there, but no follow through. And if it continues, bro, it's gonna create us like a squeeze to the upside, actually.
Yeah, I agree. I feel like if we get through like 20 on the Nas, might go back up and retest the highs. Might break the new highs.
Yeah, I don't think the ES will. I mean, I am in the short of a pure location, but I don't have the strength to go to the downside, actually. I would, watching this price action, I probably wouldn't take the short now. I mean, I did take it off of the 58, 57, whatever. But right now, momentum is dying to the downside, and that's the part that you need momentum. If it's going to drop, you need the momentum. If it's going to go up, you don't need momentum. It can go up slowly, and that's what I'm watching in the internals.
Had a really nasty rejection wick on the Nas. Think you might
Yeah,
get your short here. It looks like it wants to roll over.
I hope.
Like right now, it's starting to
uh
look like a lower high, but if we get back through 20, there's, I mean,
Actually, I don't see it. Actually, I don't see it.
what, the
um
rollover or the squeeze?
the rollover, I do see the squeeze. If we get look to like 56, 57 on the ES, the share is gonna explode, because a lot of selling happening right there at 55, 54. And you see how it immediately comes back up. There are sellers
Trying
there.
to.
There
It's
are
really
sellers.
struggling. We got the 50% fib right there at 515 on the Nas. It's really struggling to get through there. It's trying to it's trying to hold it right now, but I don't know. This could this could easily be a lower high before dumping ass.
Mm, I don't know.
Does have a trend line here. It's trying to hold from the low down there.
Now,
I don't know.
forget about it, bro. This shit is gonna go up. Look at the tick now.
VIX looks
Yeah,
like it's putting in a lower high. It's about to drop, but seen that before and it didn't drop. So I don't know. Guess we'll see here. If the squeeze is gonna happen, it should happen right here, like
yeah,
right through
up.
515.
Yeah, yeah. I think market is gonna squeeze up. If this 56 on the ES is violated, yeah, you will have your squeeze. There you go. There you go. See that? I'm out of it. So I was halfway through my target. Through my target.
Somebody does not want this thing to go up, dude. Like we're serious heavy selling here at 22. That's yesterday's low on the Nas. So I don't know. Like deep
Yeah.
pockets are suppressing that shit right there. That was like almost 2,000 contracts.
No, I don't actually believe it. I think it's gonna go up. I need to see it coming down. Either way, like I'm already out of the trade. I'm already out of the trade.
Right back, gonna grab a refill of water.
Dale.
It does look like it's doing a lower high here. We get back down through like 16.5 on the Nas. Expected to accelerate through that downside.
All right, so I got stopped out to the fuck. I was that high. I was that high. Look at that shit. Yep. I think I am a victim of a market maker. But honestly, I don't think it's gonna go down. I mean, I have location, but not the internals. Internals are not aligned. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Yeah, Eddie, my target was 48.50 actually. I wanted to scale out at 51 and we got to 52. Scale out at 51, we got a 52. Yesterday, 2 break evens, today 1 break even. But today's trade was purely of the location. We did not have the internals with us. I mean, internals were entirely opposite of our trading direction. Tick chart is looking very positive. There's no momentum to the downside, and now advanced decline is actually going up. Hmm. For how long was I in this trade? 10, 12, 33. It was 11 minutes. Felt like 3 hours. $68.5. 68.5. Well, actually, I have, yeah. No, I like 70 is an automatic sell as well. 70 is an automatic sell for me. Initially, I said I don't know if I'm gonna take this 58. But then the advanced decline line was diverging a little bit, and I activated the order. So I had the bracket in. I was almost 2-to-1 in this trade.
All right, I'm back. We got potential for a flag break right here through 20. Looks like it's trying to get it, but if it fails, it's still a lower high. So I don't know. I'm gonna put my faith in this trade to the upside.
Yeah, now the ES look a lot more bearish than the NAS. Bro, do you see where I got stepped out? I was that high, bro. See that?
That was me yesterday, dude.
Nah, shit, man. I want to see how many contracts were executed there, bro. I'm gonna see that. I cannot live with it. Like duplicating new tab, micro ES, 44, bro. 44 contracts. 4750. Oh no. 4750, right? What is 33? Bro, 20 contracts, bro. And off of those 20, I had 4. The fuck out of here, man. Yeah.
That's why I don't look at that information.
Oh my, I cannot
Cause
Bro,
if
if I
you
don't see it,
okay,
if I
if you're
don't see
the
it,
top
if
pick
I
or
don't
the
see
bottom
it,
pick,
bro,
bro, oh
I
my
cannot
god.
live. What?
No, I'm saying if you're the top tick or the bottom tick, I can't force myself to look at that. Because if I look at that, I'm gonna be so mad.
I mean, I think is a anger management exercise that you could
Oh
do.
yeah, 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 for sure.
So right now I'm very, very, very pissed. But on the other side, it is what it is. It already happened, right? There's nothing I can do. Um, 20 contracts and I was four of them. Yeah. So questions arise like, what's the best decision? Is either move my stop or not. Like I was already deep in the money in this position, right? Was I willing to risk it all? And look, my self talk was very negative for the trade because I was watching the footprint, I was watching the tick chart, and I said that we could have a squeeze above 56, and then we had the
Long here
squeeze.
315 on the Nas. Sorry.
Okay. So I don't know, probably my negative self-talk influenced me on moving my stop. But I usually move it, so it's fine, I guess.
Personally, for me, and I don't know if it would work for you, but that like between yesterday and today, I would have if you're trading four contracts, I would have two of them at your halfway point. 'Cause at least then you got something out, right? And then it's less stress on you. And then like
Well,
if the rest of the trade fails, then at least you got something.
I have 51 for the scale out. So I didn't I was willing to amend my mistake from yesterday, scaling out. Um but if I don't scale out at least 2 to 1, my risk and reward ratio just goes down too much. You know what I'm saying? So 51 was that 2 to 1 for me. And 48 is 3 to 1. That will give me like 2.5 on the entire position, which I can live with. So I'm gonna test this. What if I do 2 targets, right? Short. Mhm.
Like another thing to look at is the daily expected move on the ES is like what 40 points. So your trade is like 25% of the entire daily expected move.
Yes, that's also true. Oh, but this thing, I'm just watching at this, right? I'm not gonna take this trade. It's just I'm watching this. So this does not give me the entire RR on the position, so I need to calculate it manually. Because if I have a scale, let's say here I got in what 57, right? Yeah, 57, and my risk was 3 points. 3 points is 60. Yeah, there we go. That was my risk. Yeah, you see that? It got to 1.7. 2 was 51. I wanted to take I have a position at +2. And then this one, 48.50. Actually here was 2.9.
VIX looks like it might want to try and double bottom here. I'm trying to get filled at 30, but might be asking for a little bit too much on this. I don't know. Not really loving the consolidation. I mean, we're consolidating at near highs, so that's good. But
That's positive for the long.
yeah, for the
But
long.
yeah, but you need to be patient though. Yo, I got 25 subscribers today, bro. That's good.
Nice.
That's good. Thank you guys.
I'm sorry, Eddie. What were you asking? What was my EM on ES? On the day or for this leg? Oh, you talking about the ATR? About 43 points, 42, 43 points for the for a full session. Got one out at 30. My other target, I'm trying to let this ride, but realistically, we do have yesterday's close at 43. Trying to let it get up into the 50 area, but I'm gonna see if we have a consolidation area here. If we have a consolidation above the previous pivot high, I definitely think 50 is possible.
I guess I have my answer on the stop, bro. Especially when you have no internals. So the type of trade that I took is not a trade that I always take, only when I have good location. So the way I do the ranges is this. For the last 10 days, right, I see the ATR. So I have the ATR here. And so this is 5 minutes, but let's do the daily. Right? The max ATR here is 47. Right? So that's the max range that I would think here. 47, right? It's 47. So I come here and I do this. Intermediate. Where's the overnight low? overnight low is down here, right? Yeah. So I do this 47, 32, 47. There you go. I come here, and this will be the range extreme, range extension. There you go. Crazy. But that's it. It's 47.84. And on the downside,
I have 4760 as a daily resistance level on the ES. I don't. This is hard, man, because like the Nas looks like it wants to go, but I mean,
uh, nasty rejection there, bro.
yes, it is.
Um, I will still be alive in this trade. My stop was like 60. Wow. Now we have the internals. Now we have the internals for the short, bro. Look at that. Ooh.
Tick just said bye bye.
Yeah, let's pay attention to this. So I might get an opportunity.
I'm taking that ad position in 30 for the Nas.
To the upside.
Yeah, long here.
Hmm.
We'll be closing both positions at 50 if we can get up to that. Woo! Woo!
Yeah.
Dirty. They don't want us to make any money, guys. Mm. Diamond hands. We did get a close below 25. I'll cut it, but right now I still consider this consolidation above the previous pivot because we keep trying to hold. We're holding that 25, 27 area on the NAS. If we get a close below 25, though, I think it's a good idea to cut it.
I'm gonna go get some water.
All right. All right, closing out there. Nice little trade.
You're out of it?
Yeah, I took a L on that 25 entry, but I still had one contract from the 500, so balance is out. Happy with that.
Hmm.
Wanted to give it a shot if it wanted to continue up.
It's definitely not an easy way to trade this thing today. Unless you got the 43 that we were talking about here. 43 got 41 and then you held this. That's the only trade that I see was worth it, right? Was worth. Um, Other than that, um, the short is quite difficult. I was short here, no follow through. The chart is starting to look a little bit better, but we have no location anymore. It's tested. We can be violated to the upside easily.
I really think the Nas wants to go to 55 though, man. It keeps holding. It's like now it just turned like yesterday's low into a little bounce zone.
Yeah, the further we consolidate here, I think the more upside we have. Honestly, that's one way to think that has worked on me. Like the more we consolidate and we come from an area, continuation is more likely.
I'm giving it another shot. I'm back in through 35. This thing turns around on me. I'm gonna cut it quick, but I really think it wants to get up there. There we go. Stretch your legs, baby. Just got to get through yesterday's close. Might have a little squeeze going on here.
Yeah, something is going on.
This candle better not close as a doji. That's all I know. See what we get.
What do you mean, Pearson? Do you guys know how to unlink SIM account from evaluation account? Then Ninja for some reason.
Whoa, unlinks. How did you? I didn't even know you could do that because I'm pretty sure they're completely separate. Even if you're signed into the connection, like the sim trades are like on Ninja side, like Ninja
Yeah.
server side, not not your account side, like your PA side. I'm pretty sure. I have no idea, man. I've never heard of that. I didn't even know it could be linked together like that. And stopped out. Yesterday's close is holding pretty hard right there. Be surprised if it doesn't come down. Got stuffed like 4 or 5 times off that. So you were trading sim and it put that loss on your evaluation? Do you use chart trader or are you using like the background? If you're using like you do use chart trader? Because if you're doing like a limit order or something in the background, like right clicking, um, you definitely want to make sure that you're switched over to sim because it can execute on your live account. If you don't have chart trader up letting you know that it's sim, then yeah, you definitely don't want that. You need chart trader up. Yeah, because if you have like multiple charts and you're viewing one and it's logged into sim or like switch to sim and then you go to like a 5 minute or whatever you execute off of and then you trade on that. If you don't have chart trader up, you won't know which account you're trading. You definitely need that to let you know, at before you hit that button, what account it's going to execute on. Like just right click the side of your, well, anywhere really, and go to properties and turn your chart trader on right there. It's like the fifth line down. It's gonna go straight to 55 now that it got me out of my break even, man. Why? Yeah, painful, painful. Mm.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I figure location type of trading like I did today with no internals, you need the internals to go your way. If not, trade is not going to work. Or
Oh, that hurts. That hurts.
bro, we had a tremendous divergence on the advanced decline. And tick chart is not responding to this upside actually. So I'm not 100% convinced of this upside. Where is next resistance? We have 63. I'm gonna take a look at this because we might have opportunities to the downside, bro. Two more minutes, probably in 3-4 minutes. Probably in 3 or 4 minutes, we might have an opportunity. Stop to be here. To be here, and my target to be around here. My scale out. My scale out here. My interest to be here. And then my other target can go, yeah. 62 points. Yes. So that's support there. 58 to 52. That is support on the ES. That's what we call a rally based rally on the OTA lingo.
Got a very strong trend here.
Mm-hmm. I do have supply though there. 64 to 67. 25. 20 more seconds in this. This is what I'm planning. I have not decided yet. Um, but we do have a divergence on the advanced decline big time. We have a nice divergence on the advanced decline. Oh shit, it's not here, it's here. Damn. I almost screw up, bro.
Don't do that.
Yeah, I almost screw up. Don't tell me, bro. Just give me the chance, please. Give me the chance. There you go.
Coming into pre-market high on the Nas here at about 590. Potential reversal zone. Also overbought up here, so a little bit of confluence up there for a reversal. Probably come back down and retest that 55 zone off it.
Yeah, I didn't take this one, but it's a good area. I was thinking more like 70. But actually, look at the red line that I have. 66.24 is the Tuesday's low. On the RTH. But one thing is that the advanced decline violated my. Look. Here, the advanced decline violated my trend line. It's not a trend line either. This is the divergence line. So here, creating a new highs, creating new highs on the advanced decline, and it was right here, right at this high. But right now, it's more like still diverging a little bit. Eddie, where's your resistance, bro? Where's your supply? You
Hmm.
were pointing. No, the Eddie.
Oh,
He was pointing out good areas. I'm just curious. I think this one was so much easier than my trade. We didn't have so much crap on its way up, bro. Whereas my trade was 66.5, 66.5, 68.5. Yeah, look, I have this one 66.25. See that? Sorry, 66. My entry was 66.25. I didn't take it because of the advanced decline. It's just, I don't know. I suppose that I'm scared now that I have a break even. But it doesn't look bad. It looks good. Tick is at 0. Value area high. Oh, that's for the entire formation. Mm, 68 is the high volume node here.
I don't know. NQ's looking a little sus here. Got like a little flag forming on the 1 minute chart, and this might turn into a 5 minute 3 bar play. Already had like what, about 6 consecutive candles to the upside. I would think it's has a little consolidation here, a little pullback, but still looking strong.
Yeah, I know. Now advanced decline is even better to the outside.
Buyers are trying to step in here. if it gets through like 90 into 600, that's insane. Without a pullback, is this a double top in the making?
Not really. Look at advanced decline.
Hey, ADD can do whatever it wants to. Price action doesn't lie.
That's
We get
true.
through it's like 570. If we get through like, I'll take that short. If we get through 570 on the NAS, I'll be short through it.
Hmm. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, I love it. ¿Dónde los tenía?
Have a whole at 30.
¿Y
And I have money.
cuánto duran, papi? I love them. Oh, papi, 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 no. No, papi, este se está corriendo. Dile a tu mamá que te lo limpie. No te lo toques.
Okay. Oh no, yeah.
Sí.
Supposed
¿Oh, sí?
to take a picture of it. Yeah, it's supposed to.
Really?
Yeah. It's supposed to be like.
I love them. Can I have one? How long they last?
Look at this.
What does it say? Courage, love, health, and empowering. Empowering. Can I have one?
I look like Maui. Elsa.
I like the flowers though. Not this one. Favorite. Not that.
She got like some henna tattoos or something.
Bro, she had like 7. I was I was freaking out. But yeah, I love tattoos though.
Woo, baby!
Double tapping?
I love it, man. I love it. T1. I want to see if it gets
Nice.
down to like retest of yesterday's close, maybe like 43, 45, somewhere in there.
Wow, that was the area. That was the area, man. That was the area, and I hesitated. Like I had the bracket order, bro. God damn it! I would have hit my. Oh shit! No, momentum is down, bro. Just get ready. Get ready because momentum is down right now. We can get to 57, I think, in the ES. So that was the area, bro. God damn it! Hesitation is a beast. That was my trade.
And like I'm not saying nothing about your strategy, right? But the only thing for me, like I have the internals up, but look at ADD, bro. It's still popping higher. Like,
Well,
like I,
well,
I hmm.
well. It's going down right now, but yeah, it popped higher.
It looks
I
like
don't
it's
know.
in a full, like I understand. I completely understand why you didn't take the trade. It's just like when I'm looking at it, it looks like a strong bullish uptrend on the ADD because it just had like that little stair step down like at 1105, 1110. It held support and then it
Mm-hmm.
bounced higher up into like the 700, 800 zone. It's
Mm-hmm.
like that would have threw me off.
So that's one reason and one reason only I did not take this trade, and it was that the ADD was breaking to the upside. That's it. That's the only reason I did not take it. Um, and I had the bracket order before. I had the bracket order when prices were here, like 63 coming up, right?
What was your
Um,
what was your entry that you were trying to get in at 66, 68?
66.25. No, I would
Got
have
you.
gotten it. I would have gotten it. And I would have gotten my scale out already. I would have gotten my scale out
Oh, you're
already.
scaling now?
I
You
mean,
doing
I was planning to because I'm trading multiple contracts now, and I think it's worth for me to scale out +2, right? It doesn't hurt me scale out +2. Now it hurts me if I try to scale out like +1. You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah, for sure.
I gave it a thought. I have a book that I made a video of for position sizing, and Banthorpe is not a huge fan of scaling out, but scaling out with risk and reward ratio like a +2 at least, I think is a good strategy when you're taking multiple contracts. Um,
So, like, all I'm gonna say is Van Thorpe didn't have 40 accounts either. You know what I mean? Like, for 5 points.
well,
Okay, so 5 points,
yeah,
2 contracts. That's $1,600 for you, right? Is that not?
yo, in the I'm gonna tell you how much was I up yesterday. I was up 3,700, and
I know, bro. That's what I'm. Bro, if you like
I got
1.5 off,
0.
if you
I
just
got
take like
0.
little something, something, a little something, something on the way, like,
I
it
know,
adds
but
up, man.
yeah, I know, but what happens when I get a full loss? It's not something. You know, it's like what happened when I get a full loss? I get the entire loss. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to avoid that thing. That might when I lose too much, and when I gain a little bit. You know. Um.
For sure.
Now
But hear me
I'm
out. Hear me
yeah,
out.
yeah.
Okay, so
Go ahead.
the 1.5 and the 1.5, like say from yesterday and today, right? Like now you have a little bit of cushion, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Whereas if you take a full loss now, like that
It's gonna
there's no
be
cushion right now.
100% negative. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, that's why I decided to go ahead and scale out. And I was thinking about it yesterday while in my trade, but that trade definitely made me have this strategy now. Now, uh, now this is something that I've been working on,
Mhm.
and you can see I haven't taken a loss trade for 3 weeks. I haven't taken a losing trade in 3 weeks because I'm trying to be more patient to wait for my location and for the right setup, right? So unless I make a mistake, which I'm ex- I am expecting to make anytime, right? But
Mhm.
unless I'm making a mistake, I shouldn't be taking a crappy trade, right? Like for instance, this 63 type of trade is some sort of trade that I would have taken in the past, but not anymore, right? So I rather just expecting for this 66, right? A little bit more patience, and then boom. Now the 63 still makes money, right? But it gets a little bit of heat. I'm trying to get a better location so I can scale out sooner. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Mhm.
But probably that was it. I was that was the scale out close to target, but say 60, 50. Oh, 2 ticks of target, bro. Shit. And you can see the tick chart, bro. It doesn't get when it drops, you get to minus 500. Fuck out of here. And when it goes up, bro, it goes up to 800. That's the thing. I mean, momentum is to the upside. There you go. That was a trade. That was a trade, man. It is what it is. I need to learn my lesson. Now, if I traded on the first location, the default mode should be the higher is a lot better location, right? So yeah, I guess lesson learned again. Would I gotten it? Yeah. Did you take it, Eddie? I think it was a good. I mean, this was a good location, man. Without a doubt. I guess we need to trust more in our own analysis. Yeah, I know. That's one thing that gets me courage because I am very good at this. It's not because I want to be egotistic or egocentric, but I'm very good at finding areas. Now, we need the balls, bro. We need the balls because not even this 3-1, this shit could go down to like 52. Look at that. We're already in the high volume node from yesterday. Yeah. But it is what it is. Note it and try to learn from it. Like if we dwell on the on the loss, not the loss, but on the miss trade, we're gonna just make things worse. Where are you from, Eddie? Nice. Good. So it's nice to have you here because sort of like you watch the same levels I watch. James is in New York as well.
Starting to feel like a mixed market right now. We have advanced decline coming down, but dollar and VIX trying to push up.
That's a perfect cocktail for the drop, bro. Now tick chart is sustained below minus 400. Yeah, this thing can go down. But you know what? My entry was here. Not anymore. No more trades for me today. Break even yesterday, break even today. Yo, I'm gonna close the live stream. See you tomorrow.
All right, bro.
Thank you,
Everybody have a
guys.
good day. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Catch y'all tomorrow.
Thank you, guys. Trade safe. Bye bye.